If you want to make money from woodworking in your own garage, then this video offers you an easy way to turn your woodworking hobby into a profitable business. And you can do all of this even if you have no previous experience at creating anything with wood. So how can I make money from my woodwork hobby? It's easy. You can set your CNC machine to create anything that you want. Simply input the directions and the CNC machine will create fantastic products carved from wood within hours. But are CNC machines expensive? Yes, buying a CNC machine is very expensive. But did you know that you can make your own CNC machine from parts found in a local DIY store? That's right, you can build your own CNC machine by following these easy step-by-step instructions. If you want to build your own CNC machine and start creating beautiful, profitable woodwork today, follow the link below this video.